Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. What are we going to do now?
Yeah, for hill walk.
Hill walk. We are ready for the hill walk. Rope 11.
Hi.
How is the Josh?
Very high.
High on need. High on need. Today is day 4 of a BMC journey and everything went well as per the plan. We started the day with a hill walk followed by both lectures and practicals on sport climbing. We also tried our climbing equipment and exchanged it if needed. Later we had a session on map reading and then some own time to revise and rest. It's not even 1 kilometer of the hill walk and it's just awesome, but now going down is really tough because we have this pine tree dried leaves and one slide and you will directly go down, so this steep it is. This is making the way tougher. Polvi, how is the hill walk?
Joe, it's awesome, but you okay? You want me to take it? We will roll and reach NIM or somewhere else.
How is the hill walk? I mean, hill ascent and hill descent is going to.
Descent, I don't know far, but ascent was really good. There are pine leaves everywhere, so I just hope I don't crack my butt.
उसका push करना एक बार. It's छोटे. Roll on.
Snow में
yeah,
करते
she's
हैं ना
party.
I want to do that, but it's not safe.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh. We are just done with the trail walk and running for the next lecture and day. Well, this is Brig Gyan Sports Climbing Arena at NIM.
मीटर्स होना चाहिए, इट इज फिक्स्ड. ठीक है, अगर ये 15 मीटर का वॉल नहीं है तो यहाँ पे कोई भी इंटरनेशनल इवेंट नहीं हो सकता है. इवन ये नेशनल इवेंट भी नहीं होता. ये देख रहे हैं, ये ऑटो लॉकिंग है, ये खुद से लॉक होता है. इसके लिए हमको उसको खोलने की और लॉक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. प्रेस इट डाउन एंड टर्न इट. नीचे प्रेस किया, टर्न किया और जैसे मैंने इसको क्लिप किया वो क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे इस तरीके से लगा. दो कैरेक्टर है, एक स्ट्रेट गेट और एक बेंड गेट है. तो बेंड गेट हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए, जिसको आप क्या कर रहे हैं, क्लिप कर रहे हैं, वो हमेशा याद रखिए. ठीक है ना. और ये देखिए बिल्कुल एकदम रिजिड है. मूवमेंट इसमें क्या है, बहुत कम है, लेकिन ऊपर वाले में ज़्यादा है. अगर इसमें मूवमेंट ज़्यादा होगी तो देखा क्लिपिंग करते हुए क्या होगा, ये हिलते रहेगा. स्टार्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 3 बीप होगा, 1 2 3. थर्ड बीप में ये क्या हो जाएंगे, ऊपर हो जाएंगे. अभी जो स्पीड का जो रिकॉर्ड है इंडिया का पता है कितना है, 6.6 नेशनल रिकॉर्ड है. दिखाते हैं कि फॉल स्टार्ट जो आप बता रहे, फॉल स्टार्ट क्या होगा वो देखिए पहले. ओके, अभी ये देखा क्या होगा, फॉल स्टार्ट.
Most of the times instructors will belay you while climbing, but if you are interested they will also teach you how to do it and you can even belay your fellow rope mates. This is paper system. Some follow pull brake under slide and while others also say pull brake under shift. It's all about what feels comfortable and safe for you. And then it was my turn to experience this climbing wall and I absolutely loved it. pretty far up, but there was a few tricky spots with no proper holds. Instead of risking it, I decided to come down safely.
Really good. Oh, it's awesome. How is it billing? Pallavi, how is the billing? It was really easy. Sir, how is biscuit? It was really easy. Belair is seriously billing. Come on, Pallavi.
छोटे होल्ड लो, इतना ऊपर मत पकड़ना. हाँ, यहाँ पे पकड़ बस. पैरों पे खड़ी हो जा. हाँ, ऐसे.
The second climbing wall was even more fun than the first one. We absolutely loved climbing here in Pine Bowl. We also get a juice break in between to refresh and recharge our energies. Personally, I enjoy belaying more than climbing. There is something satisfying about keeping your teammates safe and focused. In turns, we also got to practice on Treadwall. It's a great tool to build climbing techniques and endurance.
How are you feeling? Nice. It's nice. You will never climb up. 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 11, 12. Very nice.
This wall was brutal. Tiny slippery holes made shifting legs nearly impossible. Most of us slipped, hands pumped, arms burning, but that's bouldering for you. The best thing I saw today was Saurabh belaying. There was music playing in the background and he moved in perfect sync with it, totally immersed, completely in the moment. He was enjoying it and we loved every second of watching him. Towards the end, we practiced rope coiling, one of the key skills we have been using often. Today is the last day to check the fitting of your snow boots and other equipment and get them exchanged if needed. This is my favorite spot in NIM. I love sitting here alone with a cup of tea. It's peaceful and just feels like my space.
मैप रीडिंग के बारे में हम बात करेंगे. मैप क्या है, कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं, कैसे कैसे इसको यूज़ करना होता है. इसको बोलते हैं मार्जिनल लाइन. एलिवेशन, ऊंचाई है, इट इज नॉट अ डिस्टेंस, ये दूरी नहीं है, ये क्या है, एलिवेशन. ओके, पैडल इज जस्ट जो शेप होता है. जिसके ऊपर बैठते हैं ऐसे शेप होता है इसका, शैडल बोलते हैं उसको, तो उसी का इससे इसको बोला जाता है शैडल, उसके शेप के साथ।
कुछ समझ में आया?
कल जब आपका फॉल इन होगा, मॉर्निंग में फॉल इन होगा ना वहाँ पे, तो जब भी फॉल इन होगा, अगर कोई बीमार भी है तो वो फॉल इन में आएगा। अगर किसी को नहीं भी जाना है देखला तो वो फॉल इन में आएगा। कोई रूम में नहीं बैठा हुआ होगा, ना लेटा हुआ होगा। समझ आया आप लोग को?
यस।
ठीक है।
Most people ended up sleeping during the movies, but hey, after that we had dinner, and from today non-veg meals are finally on the menu. Our instructor checked all our gear to make sure everything is fit and safe for the mountains. That's all about our day 4 journey in BMC. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.